the neighbor, and today I'm working at a restaurant, and I think I have a customer. Let's go see what his order is. I'll just have some of your chicken nuggets. Coming right up. I'll just cut away this part when I bring it to him. I have an idea what to do. I know how to make chicken nuggets. This is how my granny did it. Let's go serve this to him. He'll totally like it. Let's go. Here is your chicken nuggets. Oh, what is that smell? Is that a booey? Swat bug. There it is. But oh my gosh, it's a poopy. Oh, neighbor, get over here. I gotta get out of here. I gotta escape. I gotta escape so the neighbor doesn't get mad at me. I'm the neighbor and I'm escaping. There we go, get the talk. Bye guys, I pooped in the neighbor's food.